Hey everyone, this is lesson 4 of Ethan Trade Stocks. Today, we will learn strategies to make money in trading stocks and how to set up your very own Investopedia account. Types of positions. The long position is buying a security, such as a stock or bond, and selling it at a higher price. A short position is borrowing shares of a security from a broker, which is the company you use to trade on the market, and make an agreement with them that you will pay them back the shares you borrowed within the agreed amount time. Next, sell the borrowed shares for money, so cash out. Then, wait for the security price to drop. Then, you shall buy the same amount of shares that you borrowed at a lower price than what they were when you borrowed them. In buying back the shares at a lower price, it allows you to pocket the difference between when you sold them high and bought them back low. Finally, give the shares back to the broker. For example, me, the borrower, may think that Citibank is going to do poorly and it's being traded at a much higher price than it should be. So since I would trade on TD Ameritrade, which would be my broker, I can go to them and say, hey, I want to short Citibank. And then I'll make an agreement with them that I'll pay them back, say 100 shares that I borrow within 2 weeks. Then I sell my shares of Citibank for, say, it's $40 right now, so I sell it $40. And then when the price would drop, I think it's 10% above, so it would drop to maybe 30 at its most extreme, even more than 10%. Then I would buy back the borrowed shares, so I would buy back the shares I owed them. But since I bought them back at a lower price, I still have extra money. And after I've given them their shares, that extra money is mine to keep. And that's how you make profit after shorting. The problem with shorting is that a stock can theoretically go up an exponential amount. It can go up $1 million, $2 million. It can go up as much as it wants to. So shorting, that means you could have exponential amount of losses. A long position can only go down so much. A stock can only go to zero. It can't go below zero. But in a short position, a stock price can go all the way up as high as it wants to. So that's the risk involved. How to make an Investopedia account. First, look up Investopedia Stock Simulator application. Past the ads, you will see Investopedia Stock Simulator. Click on that, press sign up, put your email address, so right there you go, your username, Ethan Tree, a password, and copy and paste that password into here. Whoa. And copy and paste that password in. I guess it doesn't want you to copy and paste it. But once you put that all in, you press register. And then it'll take you to an email verification. It directs you. It says go to your email. You go there, right here. And then you press this link it gives you. So you could either join Investopedia or a public game. Join really as many as you like. I would definitely say Investopedia game no end, at least. Join the selected games, and there you have it. You have your own Investopedia account. You have $100,000 in your name. You don't have any extra margin, which is the leverage. So if you only have $100,000, if you only have $100, you can't spend more than $100. Where in the real life, you could spend 3 or 4 times as much, which is something to be careful about. Don't really go on margin. It's not a smart thing to do because then you will go on a margin call and be in debt. So how to trade on here? You go to the trade window, put in your stock symbol. Say I really want GameStop, so GME. Buy. Say I want 100 GameStop. So at market, which is meaning that you're buying it right now. Good till canceled. Preview order. It'll tell you exactly how much it is, the quantity, the commission, which is something that every time you buy something, the brokerage usually takes. Nowadays, online brokerages don't really take commission. Most of them are free, they will have commission on shortings. $15,000, submit order. There you have it. You can check leaderboards, portfolios, daily insights. Investopedia even has different definitions of things in case you want to learn more. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys sticking around with me for this video. I hope you can make an Investopedia account, learn how to trade stocks. It's a really great way of learning how to trade with no risk at all, really. You could start a new account. You could buy things, sell things. It's not really real money. So it's a good way to get your grip on the stock market. I'll see you guys later.